Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all groups attachments on Messenger. If you're looking to access all the shared photos and videos in a group conversation, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Tap on a conversation to enter it. This could be a group chat that you're a part of. Step 3. Once you're in the conversation, tap on the group name or profile photo at the top of the screen. This will bring up the group information. Step 4. Under the More Actions section, tap on View Media, Files and Links. This will take you to a new page where you can access all the shared attachments in the group. Step 5. Here, you'll find all the shared photos and videos. You can scroll through the list to view each attachment. That's it. Now you know how to view all groups' attachments on Messenger. It's a great way to easily access all the shared media in a group conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.